In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft Microsoft account for the Nintendo Switch 2. To do this we need to switch to our laptop, so let's do that. Now on the laptop type in Microsoft Login. Select the first one. And then here select Create One. So choose an email name. I'm just gonna keep it simple. SimonExplains2@hotmail.com. Next, choose a password. My password 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then select your country and region and then select here your birthday. Next, add in here your name. Next, prove you are a human. Awesome. Yes, and now the Microsoft account is created. So now if you go back to Minecraft, we need to select here in the left bottom corner sign in with the Microsoft account. So let's press on it. Sign in now. And now we can choose to sign in with our mobile, or we could choose to sign in with our laptop again. So I'm gonna use the laptop. So on the laptop type in https:/microsoft.com/link, enter here the code you got on the console, EB4, allow access, sign in with your email. Enter your password. Save and continue. And now we are signed in. Yes guys, and if we go back now to Minecraft, you also see that we are now signed in. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. This is how to make a Minecraft Microsoft account for the Nintendo Switch 2.